So I'm just gonna stick her up here with all of these other helmets who have earned a honorable retirement. You've served me well, but it's time that you go on to, well, not greener pastures, but other pastures. What's up, tribe? Today we're going to be doing some unboxings. I got some interesting things in for my winter. It's about halfway through winter here, but got the rest of January and February to go and part of March. So I got good gear for the rest of it because end of February or the end of January and February are the coldest months around here. So even though I've weathered halfway through it, it's just going to get worse from here. First thing I wanted to open was the Indy Ridge gloves. Anybody that's got the Indy Ridge knows this package means there's good stuff in here. So, short story, I got a lot of Indy Ridge gloves. These are my brown gauntlet gloves, my black gauntlet gloves, because I like to color coordinate with my boots, and I had some fall gloves. And I also have the summer gloves and another pair of fall gloves. So this pair, after wearing them for a while, ripped through on the thumb. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they tore on the thumb. Now here's the mark of a good company. A company could have told me, hey, you got a few months wear out of it, good on you, must have been something you did. Well, Indy Ridge, when I told them that I had a glove that got damaged, they said, hey, no problem, we'll ship you another pair for free and keep the old ones, because if they suck, nobody wants them. So these are the new ones. I haven't looked at them yet. Obviously they're still packed up, but Steve from Indy Ridge told me that this is actually a better pair, and he could tell from the stitching that these were an older pair, older stock, I guess. So I'm going to do a comparison. Right away I can see these are absolutely different gloves. So you can see there, both of these are the right hand. And the stitching is different around the thumbs. It's a thicker stitching. Totally different stitching on the thumb here. Yeah, I like these. These are cool. But here's the real test. These actually, okay, I loved these. These are nice and comfy, and they shrink to fit, and they were great. But these actually are more comfortable. Obviously they're leather, they still need to shrink in, but yeah, I'd almost say these are pre-broke in. These are very comfortable. I dig them. Okay, so I know I'm gonna love these. Now the Indy gloves always come with a bag, and just like last time, I put these gloves up when it's not winter anymore. I put the winter gloves away in these bags. It's one that keeps them together, out of the way, and when you're digging for stuff in your gearbox, you don't knock them loose and lose a glove and go to look for it next winter and they're gone. Look up Indy Ridge, because they're an awesome company. And also got free with the gloves another Indy Ridge beanie. I've only got about 20 of these, so I'm glad they sent me another one, because I could have ran out at any day. Next thing on the list, my Wicked stock pants. I hope there's not too much of a glare. I'm trying to use light to make this stuff easier to see. But these are my winter pants. This is my second pair of Wicked stock pants. Good thing I can edit. All right, Wicked stock pants. These are less like snow pants and more like jeans that are just really fluffy.
It's very bright.
What?
The reflective streak. It's very bright.
They have a reflective coating? Is that what you're saying? Reflective lines? Do they? Well, I guess the reflective lines work. So anyway, these are less like snow pants than they are very thick padded jeans. They have side hip pads, knee pads, and they have a zipper that goes all the way up the leg, which this is the first motorcycle pants, I mean, other than, you know, assless chaps, that I've ever had that the zipper goes all the way up the thigh. So no matter how big your stupid riding boots are, how many tassels and spurs there are on them, they unzip all the way to the top. Very comfortable. They come with a little zip off in the back where you can put any riding jacket to them. Sew that to the riding jacket and then sew them into place here. Most riding jackets do have the YKK zipper and most of them are compatible, but just in case they're not, this one has its own zipper. Now you know. Oh, what does that do for you? That keeps your jacket from riding up while you're riding and getting a draft up your back. I mean, this is for cold riding. Best for your money. Last thing I got, this helmet is my One Storm helmet, covered with all the great stickers of all the people that I follow on YouTube. And some friends I've made. So I had to get another helmet. This one, it's 2 years in, it's got scratches on it. It's had a couple of dings and the pin locks getting a little hard to handle. Actually now they're just fine, I guess, because hey, I already bought another one, so now this one decides it's going to be working right. Go figure. Oh, side note, for my GoPro, I have a Ulanzi mount. You buy these to go on where you normally would screw these on, and this makes it a quick release where I can take this same camera without having to undo the yoke here. I can take it off of this one, move it to another helmet, put it on a handheld, put it on another kind of base, move it to the base on the motorcycle, move it from the front of the motorcycle to the back of the motorcycle, all with these little bases. They're being made by Ulanzi, and they're about, I want to say, about $10 a piece. And just being able to not tear these up, break the ears off. If you ever broke any of these ears off, it's like it's gut-wrenching because you know that you're done for the day for recording. But I had to get another helmet. That's the point I'm getting to. So I got another One Storm helmet. But this one is totally different because it's green. Totally unlike this one, which is also the same helmet but not green. So totally different. This one also came with a spoiler where it'll get spoiled, I guess. It looks like this one comes off and this one goes on just to make a little extra spoil, make you more aerodynamic. Not sure. But I do like the new color. So next thing I'm going to have to do, I don't want to take all these stickers off, obviously, to put on there. So now I have to go through my sticker pouch and put new stickers on it. So obviously I got my Brap Star stickers, my Flip Nah stickers, Indy Ridge stickers, Long Way Down stickers, coffee stickers. I probably won't put my first responder sticker on because I don't want people to stop me for their messed up crap. Oh, 6 Point Brewery stickers. Long Way Up stickers, not to be confused with the Long Way Down stickers. And then my BMW Moto Power stickers. I got a ton of stickers to go through here. And obviously, I got a ton of Brap Star stickers and Flip Nah stickers. Look at old Deedles. Poor Deedles is gone now, but we're going to remember her. So obviously, definitely this sticker is going to go on because Deedles has just passed. So we want to remember her forever. She was a good dog. Okay, well, my biggest chore is just going through these stickers because they're obviously not going to all fit on the new helmet. So that's it for now. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this and watch me go through more of my presents that I have given myself. Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye. But one thing I wanted to, just real quickly, for anybody who follows Flip Na, this is for Flip Na. She just passed and she was a great dog and she motivated everybody and was really funny to have on his channel. So Flip Na, we're thinking about you. So that's it for now. I guess I got to get this video put together where I can get it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and come back. Share with your friends if they're your friends like motorcycles and getting out and seeing things, then share with them too. Next time.
See ya.